We've got Mr. Rudramurthy BV of Vachna Investments joining us on the show. Rudra, hi, good afternoon, and good to be speaking with you. 24,350 looking good. How sustainable does this look? Can we hold on to this level heading into next week?
Good afternoon. Thanks for having me in the show. See, Nifty has clearly broken out of that consolidation zone, and that was at 24,200 on Nifty spot. Now, decisively trading above 24,200. This tells to me every dip is a buying opportunity. Brent crude is in check, dollar rupee is in check, FII selling has come to a halt, and now you are not seeing that 5,000 crore, 7,000 crore kind of an FII selling. Rather, it is very mild, and yesterday even numbers were hardly about 350 crore. So for me, FIIs will soon turn buyers, and this market is headed towards 25,000 very soon. Every dip is a buying opportunity, and Bank Nifty also, which is not supporting right now, that's only because relatively it performed so well in last few weeks. And for me, even Bank Nifty is headed towards 60,000. I will focus more on private banks rather than PSU banks. And even NBFCs looks very strong to me. So you have to be relatively in those sectors where you have more strength, and also in those stocks where you still have lot of steam left to move on the upside. So I am overall very bullish on market, and every dip is a buying opportunity, and Nifty is headed towards 25,000 and Bank Nifty is headed soon towards 60,000.
Okay, so that sounds good. And Rudra, you being optimistic on the Nifty banking index, further 2,000-point uptick is what you're seeing. Given the sluggishness that we've seen on the index in the last couple of days, how soon do you think this 2,000-point run-up will be? Is it going to be very eventual, or do you believe that now, finally, after this temporary slowdown, the banking index can start picking up some steam?
See, for me, Snehi, Nifty will relatively outperform Bank Nifty for next 1 month. And I won't be surprised in this series only, July series, we see that 25,000 to come on Nifty. And Bank Nifty should also move towards that 60,000 in this series. But then I'm still again telling you, Nifty will relatively do better than Bank Nifty. And second most important point is, I will still stick on with private banks. Names like, let us say, your ICICI Bank, or even for that matter, Kotak Bank, Axis Bank, HDFC Bank. So these are better compared to PSU banks. And I will still go with the broad theme of financials and look at NBFCs, which can do very good. Names such as Bajaj Finance, L&T Finance, Chola Finance, they look very strong to me. So if I have to be in banks or in financials in general, I would rather pick NBFCs and private banks than going for PSU bank. I will definitely avoid PSU banks in general.
Nifty to outperform the Nifty bank, looking more attractive for the private sector compared to PSUs in terms of banks. But Rudra, what about some stock-specific recommendations from the broader end of the market? Any themes, any stocks looking good to you this afternoon?
See, for me, pharma looks very strong as a sector. Even IT is now making a big comeback, and you have to be very selective in that particular sector. And even platform stocks looks very, very strong to me, and that will be the number one theme. And I'm picking two stocks both from platform, and for me, Eternal looks very, very good. After consolidating at around 240 to 260 range, stock has given a clear breakout above 265, and even at current market price and on every dips to 270, I will be a buyer in Eternal, looking at initial target of 310 and even 350, 360 to come on Eternal. One can go long in July futures and look at targets of 310 and then 350. Keep a stop loss of 275 for this long call. Another stock, again picking from the same platform theme, delivery looks very strong to me. Stock has given a clear breakout above 500, and at current market price, the risk reward is very, very favorable. At current market price and on every dips to 500, I'll be a buyer in delivery. Stock available in futures, go long. Look at initial targets of 550, and then eventually 580, 600 can come on delivery. Keep a stop loss of 490. So a buy on Eternal and a buy on delivery.
Looking good, and some of these new age tech companies, that's the theme that Rudra is going for. Rudra, on that note, thank you so much for your time. Good as always to be speaking with you today.